Washington, a provision in U.S. law requiring the deportation of immigrants convicted of crimes of violence is unconstitutionally vague, the Supreme Court ruled on Tuesday in a decision that could hinder the Trump administration's trademark's ability to step up the removal of immigrants with criminal records. The court, in a 5-4 ruling in which President Donald Trump trademark's conservative appointee Neil Gorsuch joined the four liberal justices, invalidated the provision in the Immigration and Nationality Act and sided with convicted California burglar James Garcia Dimaya, a legal immigrant from the Philippines. The ruling, written by liberal Justice Elena Kagan, was a setback for the administration, which had defended the provision during arguments in the case in October. Federal authorities ordered Dimaya deported after he was convicted in 2 California home burglaries, in 2007 and 2009, though neither crime involved violence. Kagan said the disputed provision trademark's ambiguity had created confusion in lower courts. Does car burglary qualify as a violent felony? Kagan wrote. Some courts say yes, another says no. Kagan mentioned other examples including rape, evading arrest, and trespassing in which courts have also been divided. Gorsuch, in a concurring opinion, write that the American colonies in the 18th century cited vague English law like the crime of treason as among the reasons for the American Revolution. Trademark's vague laws may not be as invidious, but they can invite the exercise of arbitrary power all the same, by leaving the people in the dark about what the law demands and allowing prosecutors and courts to make it up. Gorsuch added. The Supreme Court upheld a 2015 lower court ruling that the provision requiring Dimaya trademark's deportation created uncertainty over which crimes may be considered violent, risking arbitrary enforcement in violation of the U.S. Constitution. Reasonable people trademark. No one should be surprised that the Constitution looks unkindly on any law so vague that reasonable people cannot understand its terms and judges do not know where to begin in applying it. Gorsuch wrote. The court issued the ruling at a time of intense focus on immigration issues in the United States as Trump seeks to increase deportations of immigrants who have committed crimes, though it was former President Barack Obama trademark's administration that sought to deport Dimaya. Dimaya trademark's attorney, Joshua Rosencrantz, said the decision strikes down a law that has over decades led to the deportation of thousands of immigrants. The Supreme Court delivered a resounding message today. You can't trademark banish a person from his home and family without clear lines, announced up front. Rosencrantz said. Dimaya came to the United States from the Philippines as a legal permanent resident in 1992 at age 13. He lived in the San Francisco Bay Area. In 2010, the government sought to deport Dimaya. The Justice Department trademark's Board of Immigration Appeals, an administrative body that applies immigration laws, refused to cancel his expulsion because the relevant law defined burglary as a crime of violence. In the Federal Criminal Code, a crime of violence includes offenses in which force either was used or carried a substantial risk that it would be used. The San Francisco-based 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals ruled in 2015 that the definition as applied to legal immigrants was so vague that it violated their rights to due process of law under the U.S. Constitution. The appeals court relied on a decision that same year by the U.S. Supreme Court, which found that a similar provision in a federal criminal sentencing law was overly broad. In a dissenting opinion on Tuesday, conservative Chief Justice John Roberts said the immigration law provision at issue should have been upheld. Roberts said the ruling will have significant ramifications because the same crime of violence definition is used in numerous other laws, including using or carrying firearms during a violent crime, and could call into question convictions under them. The Supreme Court heard arguments in the case on October 2, the first day of its current 9-month term. The court initially heard arguments in January 2017 when it was one justice short, but decided last June after Gorsuch brought the court to full strength to have the case re-argued, putting the new justice in a position to cast the deciding vote.